Lyle Ralph. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Boelter. My key responsibility is to ensure that technology works for all of our associates, making their lives easier and ensuring that it works for our customers and gives them the best experience possible. So at Boelter, we've got just over 500 employees. We call them associates, largely focused in the Midwest. We sell across the US. We also sell into Canada, a little bit into Europe.
So Boelter's been around for 3 generations. We have a projects division that designs commercial spaces for restaurants and bars. We also have a supply division that supplies all of the materials that go into those restaurants and bars. And then we have a beverage division that will customize things that go into the bars and the restaurants.
We were on ECC on-premise. The solution was quite old.
And we knew that as time went on, we were falling farther and farther behind, right? We weren't able to take advantage of new technologies and new functionality.
So capabilities were fairly limited for what people expect today. Just really wasn't very stable. So we really wanted to look at something that would take that pressure off our team.
Even though we were able to upgrade to different versions within SAP, we didn't do that very often. And so we were, like I said, we were falling farther and farther behind. So what we needed to do with this upgrade was to build a foundation where we can get to a future state where our ERP system can support our business needs and the future growth. The current ECC on-premise solution certainly wouldn't get us there. So we made some decisions to choose. We didn't go with a public cloud because we have too many customizations. We chose a private cloud to get us away from our on-premise solution with all of our problems that come along with on-premise and the costs that come with on-premise. SAP gives us that reliable foundation with a private cloud.
Overall IT strategy has been to move all of our solutions into the cloud for many obvious benefits there, particularly around the support and the stability of it. We've been moving a lot of our solutions there, but ERP is the core of our company. So we needed to make that move. So we then started looking at, how do we go ahead and get our ERP solution into the cloud, which kind of brought us into this competitive process. For the SAP side, we did actually look at some other partners, but we felt that NTT was the best for us given their history with us. They understood kind of where our customizations were, the types of things we've been through in the past. They also had great relationships with SAP, so we wanted to leverage that.
Hi, my name is Brandon Evans, Vice President of Customer Transformation. I work here at NTT DATA Business Solutions. At NTT DATA Business Solutions, we're a 30-year Platinum SAP partner focused strictly on SAP and SAP products only. We have 12,000 employees globally, servicing 30 plus countries in our various service centers. Our customer base is around 250 million up to $5 billion in terms of revenue. So we're definitely positioned in the mid-market. In North America, we focus on 5 major industries: consumer goods, chemicals, manufacturing, wholesale distribution, professional services. Being in the mid-market as a service provider, we've had a lot of success and opportunity to help clients move to S/4HANA, whether that is a new implementation, greenfield approach, or whether those are transition scenarios that are available in the market. We've been super successful because we're dealing with budding companies trying to grow and trying to use the SAP platform. We engaged with Boelter about 2 years ago to help facilitate an acquisition that they were looking to integrate into their SAP portfolio. It was a company that had some unique challenges and requirements in which they needed some specialized skills from NTT DATA Business Solutions. In the areas of production planning and warehouse management, those weren't quite available from a capabilities perspective. So Boelter engaged NTT DATA Business Solutions to take down that functionality and help augment their team to bring that company live on SAP. And then along the way, we work with them to devise what's next for the Boelter organization. How do we help them embrace S/4HANA and rise with SAP?
So the benefits have been largely around kind of the IT side of things to date. We've definitely got a more stable platform. It's requiring less support for us. That's really key right now. We've got better environments in which we can promote through, which is really helpful. We moved it up into the cloud just to get that platform available to us, but now really is where the exciting part starts, which is that conversion or that change where we start talking about that business process.
As we move into the new HANA world, we will have more functionality available to us out of the box instead of having to continue to build and maintain the customization.
Say overall the project was very successful. We were able to launch it. We had a lot of support and confidence from our executive team once launched about how successful this project was. They felt that it went smoother than expected, smoother than the historical experiences they've had, and then planned. So I thought that was all great.